we visit we visit all the questions which we had in homework, and what I had planned for today, I'll see when we can do it. Yeah. So exercise 3.6, linear equations, question 1 we are discussing. In this, the first one, so what I'm going to do, let me just clarify that. I'm going to give you tips of how to decide which variable to make. Okay, that's all. And then it's going to be, and if you have a confusion, um, then we'll see. Yes, Asgar, I really like how you're planning right now. Yeah, Dikshit, is everything fine now? You're asking about the laptop only?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Like
yeah, we are good, I think. Let's get started. Thank you, Dikshit. Okay,
okay,
so first question. This was Manisha's doubt. 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. And 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. Manisha, what did you take as A and B?
Sir, I took A as 1 by x and B
Okay,
as 1 by y.
okay. A is equal to 1 by x, B is equal to 1 by y. So what is the equation you're getting?
A by 2 plus B by 3 is equal to 2.
Hmm?
Second equation, A by 3 plus B by 2 is equal
Hmm?
to 13 by 6.
Okay. Can we solve this? Where are you stuck now? Tell me, where is the problem happening?
Sir, in the next step, sir.
In the next step. What are you doing in the next step? Tell me, what are you doing in the next step?
Sir, actually, after this, I couldn't do anything, sir. I just left till here.
Manisha, it's okay. Anyone? Okay, I'm not going to take go. Okay. I know, Riza. Thank you, but everyone will be able to do it. But I'll just quickly tell you, Manisha. Manisha, you'll take LCM here. It will become what? 3a plus 2b by 6 is equal to 2. This equation will become this. So 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. Manisha. Then for this one will become
Yes, sir,
what?
I can do
This
it.
will become 2a plus 3b by 6 is equal to 13 by 6. 6 and 6 cancelled. So you have 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. This is fifth equation. This is sixth equation. Solve these. We good, Manisha?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir, I can do it.
Yeah. Okay. Bindu, are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone else has any other doubts in question 1? Unmute and tell.
sir.
Yes, Deepak.
Sir, I had one question, sir.
Bolo.
Sir, starting only, can we make the decimal same?
Can we make the?
Like, sir, can we like make it 6x and 6y, sir? So both the equation, there'll be 6x and 6y.
I don't understand where you will do 6x, 6y. So you're saying that you will take LCM here only.
Yes, sir.
So if you take LCM here, you will get 3y plus 2x by 6xy. Is this what you're saying?
No, sir. Only,
Can you tell me what to write?
sir, 1 by 2x into 3 and into 3, sir. Then plus 1 by 3y into 2 and into.
Oh, okay. So you will have what? You will have 3 by 6x plus 3 by, so plus 2 by 6y.
Yes, sir. And
And
the
then
second
you,
also same.
okay, is equal to 2. Then you have one, this will be 2 by 6x plus 3 by 3 by 6y. Okay. And then what do you take as A and B?
Sir, A I will take as 1 by 6x, sir, and B as 1 by.
Definitely, Deepak, if you feel this is more convenient for you, you can do it this way also. Yeah, no problem at all. Good idea, different idea. Both will work. Thank you, Deepak. Okay. Anyone else has any other doubts, any other confusions? Any other doubts, any other confusion? Question 1. Waiting for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. So you can choose whichever way you want to do. Maybe you can do many other ways also. Okay, I'm a little scared of sharing screenshots, guys, because I think my system will become overloaded if I open Google Chrome now. So can someone else share screenshots, take the responsibility? Himanji, will you be able to share screenshots?
Yes, sir. I'll share, sir.
Okay. Can you do for this one and then I'll move ahead?
Yes, sir.
3, 2, 1. Shall I go ahead, G?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to go to the second question now. I was expecting someone to ask the second one. And I see Tulsi has asked, many others have asked, right? Who all have doubt in second one, please type in the chat box me karke. So 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2. 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. I want one of you to tell me, Tulsi, can you only tell me what is coming in your mind to take as A and B? First, that too you can do, right? A and B, what are you taking as?
Sir, as 1 by root x.
Perfect. Okay, perfect. So let A be equal to 1 by root x and B be equal to 1 by root y. This one step is clear. So finally you have 2a plus 3b is equal to 2 and 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. This step till this step you have you got a and b also now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is your a and b? Can you tell me? You have got
Sir,
a
while
and
doing that only, there only I got stuck, sir. While solving only, sir.
Are you serious? Solving this you got stuck up. This is sad. Bindu, tell me what is a and b?
Sir, I use substitution method and I got B as 1 by 3, sir, and A
Okay.
as 1 by 2.
You got b as 1 by 3 and a as 1 by 2. Let me quickly check that. Tulsi, you should not be getting stuck in this solution. Almost 3 methods we know, and 1 method you should be getting it, right? So I'm going to just multiply this by 3, first equation by 3. I'm going to get 6a plus 9b is equal to 6, and second one I'm going to keep like that only. So now I'm going to just add both of them. This goes away. Here you have 10a is equal to 5. So a is equal to 1 by 2. You're correct, Bindu. Now this I will put in any one of the equations. I'll put in second one. So the first one only. 2 into 1 by 2 plus third one, sorry. In 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3b is equal to 2. This goes away. So you have 3b is equal to 2 minus 1. B is equal to 1. And b is equal to 1 by 3. Tulsi, where are you having a problem in this, Tulsi? Where are you having a
Sir,
problem?
I used substitution method, sir. I didn't get 1 by 3 and 1 by 2 only, sir.
You're making a mistake there. Now, if we had more time, I would have taken your solutions up and checked, but right now we don't have time. Send me a picture of that on WhatsApp right now. If we have time at the end of this class, I will take it up. Or you will
Yes,
stay
sir.
back. Maybe you can stay back for 5 minutes after this class ends. Now you come here, you have reached here, b is equal to 1 by 3 and a is equal to 1 by 2. I want us to think, okay, what is a? What is a? Let's take b. Okay, chalo, let's take b only. B is 1 by root y. 1 by root y is equal to 1 by 3. Anyone who did this would like to take it forward? Dinesh, I think you can do it, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, where did you go from? Where did you go from here?
Sir, I just squared the denominator, sir.
Can you square only the
And,
denominator?
sir, the numerator also, sir. But we'll get the same value, sir. 1 square is 1, sir.
Correct. Basically,
So
you're squaring LHS and RHS.
yes, sir. So
Right?
yes, sir. And then y is equals to 3, sir. Sorry, root y is equals to 3, sir. So for y value, I squared the both LHS and RHS, sir.
Okay.
Then I
Before you
got
square, Dinesh, I will suggest before you square, you put both of these things in the numerator. Okay.
okay, sir.
Is that reasonable? So before you square, you can take 3 to this side. 3 will be equal to root y. Now you square it. Why do square it in the number? Now you do squaring both sides.
I got y is equals to 9, sir.
That's all. Okay. 3 square is equal to root y ka square. 9 is equal to y. Okay. And then in this one also same way, 1 by root x is equal to 1 by 2. You'll do this and you'll get x is equal to 4. Dilruba, clear hai kya? Dilruba, are we clear? Huh? You had already, anyone who did not get this is confused about this. Tulsi, is this clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Tulsi, MG is volunteering to help you with substitution method. Okay. Today afternoon, take some half an hour of your time. Call MG up. MG, that's good with you, right? Today you don't have classes. You have Hindi and Kannada time. Na? Call MG up. Spend some half an hour discussing this question and 1 or 2 more questions with substitution method with him. Can you do that, Tulsi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. MG, you are okay with that?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, MG, for volunteering. Yeah, and then we'll see, Tulsi, if you're still making the mistakes tomorrow. Third question, anyone wants discussion in? Third question, anyone wants to be discussed? Please unmute and tell me, sir, I'll wait for 5
Sir,
or just type. Who?
Deepak.
Deepak, third question. थोड़ा सा अगर out of the box हो जाता है तो हम लोगों को problem हो जाता है ना? But it's okay, I can understand that. You have done a lot of things which are out of box, which many others have not been able to do. So that's okay. Don't take it as a harsh comment. So here we have simple thing, Deepak, just take 1 by x is equal to a over. You will get what? Deepak, 4a plus 3y is equal to 14. 3a minus 4y is equal to 23. Will you be able to do this now?
Sir, I thought we should take y also something. Sir. Sorry.
Correct. That's what I meant. It's a little out of box, but it's basically what we know. We are just applying that, right? Like finally, we should reach to a place where we have a linear equation in 2 variables. This is good with you?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has any other confusion in this? Third question. Just let 1 by x be equal to a. You will get 2 equations in 2 variables. The variables are a and y. That's all. We good, right? Anyone? I'll wait for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. Question number 4. Who all have doubts in? Question number 4. 1 by x minus. Question number 4. Who all have doubts in? Please unmute and tell me. Then I'll take it. Otherwise, I'll not take it. Dinesh, you have doubt in question number 4?
Sir, I got a value, sir, but I'm not getting the b value, sir.
Okay, let me quickly check. 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay, tell me, what did you take a and b as?
Sir, I took a as x minus 1, sir.
You took a as x minus
Sorry.
1.
No, sir. 1 by x minus 1, sir.
Okay, so let a be equal to 1 by x minus 1. Let b
And
be equal to
1 by y by 2, sir.
y minus 2. Okay, very reasonable, very good choice, Dinesh, because you cannot take 1 by y alone. There is no 1 by y. This is a denominator is a whole. Finally, you'll get one number here. You should take that number together. Okay, good there. So we are going to, so what do we get? We get it as 5a plus 1b is equal to 2 and 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. These are our third and fourth equations upon substitution. Now what happens, Dinesh? Tell me. Where are you stuck now? Okay, chalo, you want me to solve this? Is that what you're saying? Hello? Dinesh. 5. Dinesh, can you hear me? Arey yaar. Waste of time only this internet. This into 3 I'll do. Okay, I'll get 15a plus 3b is equal to 6. 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. I'll add both equations. I get 21a is equal to 7. I get a is equal to 1 by 3. I'll put this a value in any one of these equations. I'm putting in this second one because 6 is there. Guys, I'm choosing, guys, simple tip here. I'm choosing this second equation because 6 is there. 6 will multiply with this and cancel off. Whereas here it will not cancel off. So I'm doing 6 into 1 by 3 minus 3b is equal to 1. Okay, Dinesh is calling me now. Dinesh, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Dinesh, I found, did you get a as 1 by 3?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm putting that 1 by 3 in the second equation. Now why I'm putting in the second equation, why I'm not putting in the first equation, I just told everyone. The reason is because here there is 6. So 6 into 1 by 3, it will cancel off. 5 into 1 by 3, it will not cancel off, it will become fraction. I have to work harder. Answer I'll get in both cases, but I'm choosing second equation, fourth equation for that. So I get 6 into 1 by 3. Does that make sense, Dinesh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 6 and 1, so this becomes 2. So 2 minus 3b is equal to 1. So minus 3b is equal to 1 minus 2. Minus 3b is equal to minus 1, or b is equal to 1 by 3 only. Okay, minus minus cancelled. It's equal to 1 by 3. Both are 1 by 3, Dinesh. B and A. Okay, now do you want me to solve for A and B also, or X and Y also, or you will be able to do that? Okay, anyone wants me to solve for X and Y here, or will have all of us been able to do that? You have to unmute and tell me, okay? I'll wait for 10 seconds, 9 seconds, 8 seconds, 5 seconds. Unmute and tell me if you want me to solve for X and Y. Otherwise, if you're good, give me a thumbs up on screen if you're good. Give me an on-screen thumbs up if you're clear with this. Imanji is not clear.
Clear, sir.
Riza, Shripriya, give me a thumbs up. If you are clear, don't simply give. Okay, moving on, guys. Question number, question number 4. Question number 5. Anyone has doubts in? Question number 5. A nice
sir.
question. Who else? Who is that?
Asghar Sami only.
Okay, Asghar. All right. So question number 5 is a nice question. Okay, little confusing and look in the beginning, but if you are doing one single step, your mind will be like open only. So Asghar, what went on in your mind? Did you try something here or?
So no, sir, I was puzzled after seeing the questions.
Question. Okay, okay. Fair enough, Asghar. Now, Asghar, here we see denominator में xy है, numerator में one term is having x, one term is having y.
Yes, sir.
When I'm seeing this, I'm thinking, basically, okay, leave that for a minute. If you think about flower minus box by 10, can this be written as flower by 10 minus box by 10?
Yes, sir.
Okay, same thing goes for plus also, right?
Yes, sir. Same.
Basically, I can split the terms in the numerator. I cannot do that for the denominator. If denominator was like that, I cannot do. But if numerator, there are two terms and there is a single denominator, I can split the denominator into these two parts, right? I can split the fraction into these two parts. Good with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Asghar, I want you to write this in the corner. I want you to write this in the box as a box next to this, okay? As a note next to this, okay? So both these things, that this can happen, this is correct when there is only addition and subtraction, okay? Not when there is multiplication, because when there is multiplication, it's a single term, okay? So take this down, and now Asghar, I'm going to do exactly these things, okay? In this question, I'm going to just apply this exact thing. In the first equation and in the second equation, I'm going to do in equation 1, I'm going to split that up, okay? So 7x by xy minus 2y by xy is equal to 5. Asghar, what happens when I split this up?
So
There you
we can
see,
take
x
yes,
x
I
गया
can.
ना, y
Yes,
y
sir.
गया ना. So what do I get? I get 7 by y minus 2
1
by
by
x is equal to 5. You can take your a and b now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, same thing in second equation also. In equation 2, you have 8x by xy plus 7y by xy is equal to 15. यहाँ पे भी your x gets cancelled, y gets cancelled. It's all in multiplication there. So 8 by y plus 7 by x is equal to 15. This is your equation 3. This is your equation 4. Now you take, let a be equal to 1 by x and b be equal to 1 by y. You'll be able to solve it
Yes, I'll be.
after this. Fantastic. Anyone has any doubts in this? Hemanji, you're taking the screenshot, putting it.
Yes, sir.
Anyone
I'm
has any
putting
doubts
it.
in this? Thank you, Hemanji. Anyone has any doubts?
Sir?
Tulsi, what is your method? Tell me. Go ahead. Tell me.
Sir, I will send you photo, sir. You check, sir.
If you send me photo, okay, send. I'll turn on Google Chrome and see. Send quickly. Okay, Tulsi, have you checked your answer from the back?
Yes, sir. I got correct only.
At the first glance, I'm thinking this is correct only. Yes,
Yes,
she
sir,
took
I got
xy to the other side, and you did not need to put a and b, no, in this case. So just give me a minute. Let me check each step. Guys, Tulsi, can you share your answer in the chat also, in WhatsApp chat for everyone also? I think it is good only.
How, sir?
This
X
photo, you
equal
put it in
X and Y, sir.
WhatsApp. Huh?
X and Y, sir.
Hey, this, what are you saying?
No, sir, you asked to share the answer in chat, no, sir. So,
Full, this photo only you share.
okay. In group chat, sir.
Yeah, in the group chat.
Okay,
Give
sir.
me a minute. 7x minus 2y is equal to 5xy. Okay, this is correct. Then what you did is multiplied. You basically eliminated y. Okay, you got there, and you got something x is equal to, okay, and that cancels x out. Okay. Yes, Tulsi, it is correct, Tulsi. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Tulsi, it is correct, and I really like that it's a very different method. I had not even thought about that because my mind was not thinking out of the box. Tulsi, I'm going to give you 10 points here for bringing that method. Maybe it might not work every time, but right now it is working, and it's a very, very efficient way to do this. Okay. So yeah, I will give you 10 points there. Moving on, guys. Fantastic, Tulsi. Loved this effort by you. Question number 6. Anyone has doubts? Question number 6 we'll be able to do now. 6x plus 3y. You can do it in Tulsi's method, or you can do it in my method. Okay, whichever is comfortable for you. So let me do this by Tulsi's method. Okay, Tulsi's method ke saath, if we were to do this, what Tulsi is doing, she's doing here only elimination. Okay, she's not changing to linear equation. What she's doing is she's doing this into chalo, this, let us do this one, second equation into 3. Okay, she's eliminating here only. What's happening there? So 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy. First equation I wrote as it is. Second equation will become 6x plus 4 into 3 is 12y is equal to 15xy, and there is minus. This goes off. I get minus 9y is equal to minus 9xy. Okay, and now what she's doing is, you can see there is, it's all in multiplication. I can cancel off this y and this y, or you can take it to the other side also. So it will become minus 9y, and I'm taking minus 9 and y to the other side. So it will become by minus 9y is equal to x. Okay, everyone good with this? Bindu, you're following what I'm doing here? I'm taking minus 9 to the other side and y also to the other side. Bindu, you're following?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so basically everything gets cancelled off here and you get x is equal to 1. All right. So this is also a good method to do it, and that's we're very thankful to Tulsi to bring this up. I can put x equal to 1 in the first or second equation. So I'll get in second equation 2 into 1 plus 4y is equal to 5 into 1 into y. This will become 2 plus 4y is equal to 5y. 2 is equal to 5y minus 4y, or y is equal to 2. Is this correct, guys? If this is correct, Tulsi? Let me check.
Yes, sir.
Question 3.6 class 61.
Correct, sir.
Correct only, no? You checked no from back?
Yes, sir.
All right, fantastic. Great. Thank you so much, Tulsi, for teaching us this method. And you can do it with whichever you are comfortable, guys. Both are completely fine as long as your math stays intact. Okay. Now we're going to go to question number 7. Anyone has doubts in? Question number 7, anyone has a doubts in? Or we are good with it? 7 we had done in class, I think, no? Something similar. Dilruba, you have doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Dilruba ke liye, let's do it quickly. 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y is equal to minus 2. Dilruba, A kya liya, B kya liya? Dilruba, what did you take as A and what did you take as B? Yeah?
Is 1 by x plus y and b is 1 by x minus y.
Very good. So the equations change to, I'm just going to write snappily. I'm not going to do all steps here. So 10a plus 2b is equal to 4 and 15a minus 5b is equal to minus 2. What did you get A as finally? And just solve this.
Sir, I'm getting I'm getting wrong. I'm thinking I'm getting wrong answer.
Okay, can anyone tell me what you got A and B? So you want the solution to be there? You want me to solve this one to Dilruba? Okay. Okay, Dilruba, I can't hear you clearly. Type and tell me. I'm going to quickly do this. Okay, so I'm going to multiply this by 5 and this by 2 because 2 and 5. So what I'm going to get here is 50a plus 10b is equal to 20. 30a minus 10b is equal to minus 4. Adding both equations, this will become 80a. This goes off is equal to 20 minus 4 is 16. So A is equal to 16 by 80, which is equal to 1 by 5. I put that in this first equation or second equation, anywhere I can put. I'm putting it in the second equation. I'm getting what? 15 into 1 by 5 minus 5b is equal to minus 2. This cancels off, becomes 3. 3 minus 5b is equal to minus 2. Minus 5b is equal to minus 2 minus 3. Minus 5b is equal to minus 5, or b is equal to 1. So I have A equal to 1 by 5 and B equal to 1. Now, iske baad confusion. Dilruba, did you get this correct or no? Dilruba?
No,
Okay, so maybe, will you be able to do after this or shall I do that? 1
Sir,
by
I
x plus
will.
y is equal to, kar logi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so basically you will get two equations. 1 by x minus y is equal to 1. This will become x plus y is equal to 5. This will become x minus y is equal to 1. I think the answer is 2, 3. Am I correct? Okay. Dilruba, we good?
Yes, sir.
All right, guys. Waiting for Himanji if you want to take a snap. Actually, I can only do it. Google Chrome is fine. It's working now.
I did it, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Himanji. All right. So moving on to the 8th question. How many of you want me to discuss? 8th question, 1 by, I think Tulsi had asked me, so I'll just quickly do it. 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, interesting. 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. Okay, Tulsi, you know what to take as A and B? Tulsi, can you talk?
Yes, sir. 1 by 3x plus y and will be A, sir, and then 1 by 3x minus y will be B, sir.
Okay, Shripriya, are you here? Are you listening?
Yes,
So,
sir.
okay, great. So are you following? Am I going too fast?
No, sir.
Okay, great. So my first equation will become a plus b is equal to 3 by 4. And my second equation will become a by 2. Basically, this is a by 2 minus b by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. Tulsi, you got this much?
Yes, sir.
Okay, anyone? So do you want me to solve this, or can you solve this by yourself? A and B, can you
I
find?
will solve, sir.
You will solve this. Okay, can you tell me what is the A and B? What are you getting as A and B?
Sir, sir, I got wrong, sir, when I solved, sir.
Okay, do that and let me know. Okay, can someone who got A and B tell me what is A and B? I'm not going to solve this now.
Yes,
Tell me, Dinesh.
Sir, I got A as 1 by 4, sir.
A is 1 by 4 and B is
1 by 2, sir.
1 by 2. Can someone confirm this? Someone on chat can confirm this if this is
Sir,
correct.
it's correct, sir.
Sir, it's correct, sir.
Okay, A is 1 by 4, B is 1 by 2. So I get 1 by 3x plus y. That's A is equal to 1 by 4. Basically, I'm cross multiplying. I'm taking this denominator to this numerator, this denominator, this numerator. You can do that one. Now you have learned it very well. So 4 is equal to 3x plus y. So this is one equation. Here you get 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 1 by 2. So you get 2 is equal to 3x minus y. Now you can solve these two equations, Tulsi. Tulsi, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we can solve these two equations. Simple, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, guys, I want to hear in the chat box about this whole exercise. It's a very, very interesting exercise. We just have to think little out of the box occasionally, okay, and a little here and there you have to think. But you have to figure out a way to make this a linear equation. That's all, okay? Once you do it, it's game over, okay? It's everything else is simple. Just you have to keep on doing it longer. That's all. I understand, Nishtay. So I want to hear a fist to 5 on this exercise in the chat box right now. Where are you on all these 8 questions? 0 to 5. Where are you on all these 8 questions? And then we'll wrap up this class. I will be giving a homework later in the day. I want it from everyone. Where are you?